Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. So what are we going to do in today's video? In today's video, we are going to learn how to give your introduction in French. And in this video, I will be discussing with you the basic dialogues which are required for any kind of formal or informal introduction. And I have designed everything keeping in mind the DELF exam. And if you're a student of DELF, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, I have divided the video into two parts. The first part I will be discussing with you the pronunciation of the dialogues in French, and I will also discuss with you the meaning of the dialogues in English. Here you need to repeat all the dialogues after me. And in the second part, we will discuss the full introduction where you will speak all the dialogues with me. And I'm very sure that if you'll repeat the dialogue after me in the first part, then you will be able to give your introduction in French in just 5 minutes. So make sure to watch the video till the end if you want to speak French in just 5 minutes. And also please hit a like and subscribe to my channel if you like the video at any point of time. Okay, now let's get started. So what should be there in an introduction? Basically, any introduction should have the following points: your name, your age, your profession, your nationality, where do you live, how many languages you speak, what are your likes. Okay, and etc. means yes, of course, you can add more of the things if you like in your introduction. But your name, age, profession, nationality, where do you live, languages, and likes are the must, especially if you are going for your DELF exam. Okay. Now, starting with the introduction, firstly, you need to tell your name. For this, you say in French, Je m'appelle dash. Je m'appelle dash, which means my name is dash. Now, suppose your name is Maria and you want to say my name is Maria, then you will say in French, Je m'appelle Maria. Je m'appelle Maria. Now, just replace Maria with your name and repeat the dialogue with me. Je m'appelle. Very good. Again, je m'appelle. Very good. So, this is how you tell your name in French, which is the first and the must thing in the introduction. Now, after the name comes the age. You tell your name in French by saying j'ai dash on. J'ai dash on, which means I am dash year old. And in the dash, you will be putting the number of years you are in French. Now, suppose you are 10 years old and you want to say I am 10-year old. So, you say in French, j'ai 10 ans. J'ai 10 ans. Okay. And similarly, if you are 7, then you will say j'ai 7 ans. You are 9, then you will say j'ai 9 ans. Okay. Now, just replace the with your number of year of age and repeat the dialogue with me. J'ai ans. Very good. Again, j'ai ans. Very good. So, this is how you tell your age in French. Now, after the age comes your profession. For telling your profession in French, you say je suis dash. Je suis dash, which means I am dash. And in the dash, again, you will be putting your profession. Now, suppose you are a student. Then you say je suis étudiant if you are a male student. Je suis étudiant. And je suis étudiante. Je suis étudiante if you are a female student. Now, here you should note that in French we have a gender. masculine and feminine for most of the profession. Okay, so you can see there is a difference in the spelling for etudio and etudiant of E. Generally, we put a E at the end of the spelling for the female profession. Okay, so for saying you are a student, if you are a male, you will say je suis étudiant, and if you are a female, you will say je suis étudiante. Okay. Similarly, if you are a doctor, you can say je suis médecin. Je suis médecin. For both male and female, doctor, médecin remains the same. And if you want to know more of the profession, please write in the comment box and I will let you know. Okay. Now, repeat the dialogue with me, replacing the étudiant with your profession. Okay. Je suis. Very good. Je suis. Very good. Je suis étudiant. This is how you give your profession. Next you need to tell your nationality. Again, for telling the nationality, you say je suis dash. Je suis dash, which means I am whatever your nationality is. In the dash, you need to put your nationality. And let us suppose you are an American. Then you'll say je suis américain. Je suis américain. If you are male, and je suis américaine. Je suis américaine if you are female. Again, here the nationalities also have gender, masculine and feminine. So, if you are, let us suppose, Spanish, you'll say je suis espagnol. Je suis espagnol. Espagnol is pronounced same for both male and female. Okay. And again, if you want to know more of the nationality, please comment in the comment box and I will let you know. For now, just repeat the dialogue with me, replacing American with whatever nationality you have. Je suis. Very good. Je suis. Very good. Je suis American, which means I am American. Okay. Now you need to tell where do you live. For telling where do you live, you say j'habite à. J'habite à, which means I live in. Je habite à dash. And in the dash, you will be putting the name of the city. Okay. Now, let us suppose you live in Newark. So, you'll say je habite à New York. Je habite à New York, which means I live in New York. If you live in Paris, you'll say je habite à Paris. Je habite à Paris. Okay. Similarly, you have to repeat the dialogue with me, replacing New York with the city you live in. And if you don't know the name or the pronunciation of your city in French, then just write in the comment box. I'll let you know. And repeat the sentence with me. Je habite à. Very good. Je habite à. Very good. Je habite à New York. Very good. So this is how you give the city you live in. Okay. Now after telling the city you live in, you need to tell how many languages you speak. And for telling how many languages you speak, you have to say je parle dash langue. Je parle dash langue. The pronunciation of langue for singular and for plural is both the same, and there is only the difference in the spelling. So, you have to say je parle dash langue, and in the dash you need to put the number of languages you speak. Okay. So, let us suppose you speak 3 languages. Then you will be saying je parle 3 langues. Je parle 3 langues. Okay. Let us suppose you speak 4 languages. Then you will say Je parle quatre langues. Je parle quatre langues. Okay. So repeat with me, replacing toi with the number of languages you speak. Je parle langue. Again, je parle langue. Very good. So this is how you tell how many languages you can speak. Okay. Next, what are your likes? What do you like? Okay. Now for telling what do you like, you have to say j'aime dash. J'aime dash, which means I like dash. And in the dash, you need to put the activity you like to do. Now, suppose you like to dance and you have to say, I like to dance. So, in French, you'll say, j'aime danser. J'aime danser. Okay. Now, let us suppose you like to sing. Then you have to say in French, j'aime chanter. J'aime chanter. Okay. You like to read. Then you'll say, j'aime lire. J'aime lire. Okay. Now, just again, you can write in the comment box if you don't know the activity you like, what do you say it in French, and I will let you know what do you call the activity in French. Okay. Now, just repeat the sentence with me, putting the activity you like in place of dancing. Okay. Repeat. J'aime. Very good. J'aime. Very good. J'aime danser. Okay, which means I like to dance. So this is how you tell what do you like in French. Now we have come to the end of the video. Here we will be repeating the introduction and we have just compiled everything and you need to put all the things of your details in the dashes and we will be repeating everything. Okay. Now first, name. Je m'appelle. Very good. Je m'appelle Maria. Je m'appelle. Very good. Je m'appelle Maria. Now age. J'ai 18 ans. J'ai dash ans. Put your age in the dash. J'ai ans. Very good. Very good. Now profession. Je suis étudiant. Je suis dash. Put your profession in the dash. Je suis. Je suis. Very good. Your nationality. Je suis American. Je suis American. Je suis. Je suis. Very good. Very good. Now, where do you live? Je habite New York. Put your city in the dash. Je habite. Very good. Je habite New York. Very good. Now, languages. Je parle dash langue. Je parle langue. Je parle trois langues. Very good. J'aime. Your likes. J'aime. Very good. J'aime danser. J'aime danser. Very good. Now, the must point to remember is whenever you are ending your introduction, you must end it with c'est tout, merci. C'est tout means that's all. Merci means thank you. You need to add this at the end of your introduction. It gives a hint to the person you are giving your introduction that your introduction has come to an end. So you need to end your introduction with this line, c'est tout, merci. So I hope you have understood how you should give your introduction in French for DELF purposes and also for other purposes. Okay, and I hope you have liked the video, and if you have liked the video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section what more topics you want I should make the video on, and I will be very happy to make the video on the topics you want to hear from me. Okay, so Thank you for watching. Au revoir.